Yo guys, this is the first video on this channel. Today's video is going to be a bike check. So yeah, let's get into it. So the frame on my bike is a Carrera Vulcan 27.5 inch wheels, as you can see right there. I actually like it, even though it's a Carrera. I actually like it. Yeah, good Carrera, I guess. So the next thing is my tyres. They're Schwabble Supermoto X's. I got them a couple of weeks ago when they were on offer, £27 for a tyre. I like them. They're good for when I'm doing death spins and swerves. I'll try to find a swerve clip right now.
First we're claiming them guys. Girl, I'll chop your back, let me slide inside. That thing's so.
Right, so the seat I have on this bike is a Mafia Bikes blue suede seat. Got it for £27.95 from mafiabikes.com. Very good seat. It's very grippy. It's good. It's grippy for when you're doing like knee knots and stuff, and it's slidey for when you're like doing knee slides. And it's very worn in, as you can see by how squishy that is. But yeah, pretty good seat. I would definitely recommend it. Next thing I'm going to talk about is my wake stem that I got earlier today from my friend. As you can see, it's a bit scratched up. But yeah, it's very short and very cheap, because I was looking at this stem in blue the other week. It's like £6 on Amazon, I think. So yeah, go get it. The next thing is my Rock Bros pedals. They're very worn up. Don't know why I didn't get V6s or like just DMR pedals, because these ones aren't that nice. They're like £27 and DMRs are cheaper. I definitely do not recommend these. Do not get these. But the only good thing about these is they don't really spin that much. So thumbs up for that. But other than that, do not get these at all. Next up is these fresh DMR Death Grips. I got for like £13 off Skate Hut. Very comfy, especially the soft ones, because they're soft and they do not give you blisters on your hands. So yeah, I'll get these if you ride MTB. Next up is my Shimano BLMT 401 brake. It's very nice. I got it from my friend. It's alright, but I'm definitely going to be upgrading to a Dior. It's quite snappy. That's all I've got to say. Get a good snappy hydraulic brake. Come on. Next thing on my bike is the Shimano Outust gear shifter and derailleur. Do not get them. They break easily. Get like an SLX or Dior. But I'm gonna get this fixed tomorrow. And yeah, just get a Dior as well, or an SLX. So yeah, just get that. Now I'm gonna put in some clips of me wheeling this insane bike. So yeah, enjoy.
Nigga, this is what that jungle do. You been plotting, nigga, wasn't you? I should've never even fuck with you. Yeah, I started in the back, had to skip the line, no. I'ma keep that shit a stack till my fucking time go. Niggas throw you in the shade cause they wanna shine, no. Nigga throw me in the grave in the Ferragamo. Man, I can't believe they killed my fucking bro Quado. Shit was so deep, I had to say that with my eyes closed. That shit made me wanna treat a nigga like he John Doe. Nah, I know me Rondo, now that nigga John Doe. Huh? This is all I ever wanted, nigga. Why would I let you take it from me, nigga? I ain't stupid, ain't no dummy, nigga. A couple fingers on a couple triggers.
Alright, that's going to be the end of today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, goodbye.